All right, I got another one of these. I got it for like 40 bucks. It's Amazon renewed. So I figure, you know, if anything happens to the ones that I have, I only paid 40 bucks for this one, so I could just replace, you know, I could replace it easily. This is 40 bucks. It usually sells for 65, 70 bucks, something like that. And I got it for 40. Amazon, you know, refurbish, whatever the hell they call it. It's supposed to be in excellent condition, so let's see what this looks like. This is the, you know, one of these mounting options that you can tie it around your wrist, or, you know, tie it around your cat to document footage of what people do on YouTube, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is a cheap no-name SD card reader. This is the camera itself. Get to that in a minute. This is a clip type thing that you could use to clip it to your like your shirt or your jacket or anything like that. This is a magnetic lanyard. This is a you know, USB C type cable. There's this instruction manual, and it comes with an app. It's called Vidure, Viidure. And I made a video, you know, detailing all that kind of stuff, how to use the app, and you know, you can look at that video. I'll leave a link in the description. This is a waterproof case for it. This is a GoPro type mounting stuff with a thin thumb screw. This is a more magnet, or, you know, stick-on type stuff to put on your helmet or wherever you want to put it on, your bike, motorcycle, I don't know. This is a clamp that you can use to put on the handlebars of your bicycle. You can mount it with the GoPro type accessories. Put it on there. This is this is the cage for it. I use this when I do my deliveries. This is a you know, more GoPro type stuff. You know, more mounting crap. This is the screw-in. This is the quarter 20 mount kind of a adapter. You could use it. Use it to put it on a tripod, stuff like that. You know, whatever you want to do. I got this thing for 40 bucks. And yeah, this is, so I'll show you. This is the mounting thing. This hangs around your neck. This goes on the inside of your shirt, and that goes on the outside. But I don't recommend using this because if this has no stabilization, and it'll move around if your clothes are very loose. So what I recommend that you use this, the bracket that comes with it. The bracket, you use the little cage that comes with it, and you have access to the should have an SD card in there. Yeah, it does. It has a so you take the SD card out, because people always ask about this. You push it in. This comes with a 64 gigabyte SD, you know, micro SD card. Cheap no-name SD card. You could use your own if you want. And it has a little reset button up there. And there's the access to the charging / data port. So you can use it to transfer files to and from your computer. And you can also charge it. So to put this back in, you want the electrical contacts facing the front like this. And you just pop it right back in. Pop it in like that and push it in. And that's how you insert that in. That's in now. So that's it. To turn it on, long press. Once. Press again to start recording. You can see it's blue or green or whatever color it is. Yeah, it's blue. It looks green on the camera, but it's blue. So then it's recording now. So to shut it off or stop recording, you hit it once again, and then it's solid blue now. It's in standby mode. It looks green, but it's blue in real life. And then to access the Wi-Fi, you double press. When it's on, when it's in standby mode, it's going to start blinking fast like that. Then you get into your phone and you access the Wi-Fi. I made full videos on how to do this. So, you know, and, you know, get out of that, you hit it again. So you got out of Wi-Fi again, you long press, or you double press again to get out of Wi-Fi. And now it's solid blue again. And then shut it off. Long press, shut it off, that's it. I'll leave links in the description where you can get, where, you know, for a full review on this camera, and you know, video samples and all that kind of stuff. Oh, and by the way, it supports charging while recording, and it also supports I mean, you could plug this thing into a like a power bank, and be, you know, you're good for a few hours. And if this light is too annoying, just use like a piece of electrical tape or something and put it over it. I don't know if this light is too bright for you. Yeah, that's it. Great little camera. Thanks for watching. Test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3.